Hi, today I will show how to crochet flower. And I use two kind of yarn and two color. White in this is a size bigger. And I use this side hook. First we make yarn look like circle. And now we crochet one chain and tail single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now we crochet together. One, 2, 3 chain and same stitch we crochet 1 double crochet. Next stitch 2 double crochet same stitch. And next 2 double crochet same stitch. And we work beginning. After we work beginning and now we crochet together. So we will cut this yarn and we chain white and one chain and we keep 2 stitch we crochet together. Same stitch we crochet 1 single crochet. Next 1 single crochet. 1 stitch 1 single crochet and we work beginning. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 22, 23, 24, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we keep this stitch we crochet next. 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And keep this crochet next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. keep this crochet nest, and we were beginning. And now we crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And this stick, crochet 1 single crochet, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And this, we crochet 1 single crochet, and we work beginning. And we hide this yarn. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Thank you so much.